Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time here, what's up? So today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial, well, a hair video. I'm going to show you guys how I got my curls, how I diffuse my hair, how I get back the moisture inside of it, how I do my curl pattern. And this is the finished product. But first, if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, as well as subscribe and hit that bell notification. I don't want y'all to miss out. I want you guys here with us. So if you want to see how I got my hair like this, don't go anywhere, grab a snack, and let's get to the video. This is my hair before I do anything to it. I didn't wash it yet. There might have been a little bit of product because sometimes when I go out, even though my hair is natural, if it frizzes too much up at the front, then I put a little bit of product on it just to slick it down. But for the most part, there's nothing in it. It's needing moisture right now. So I just wanted to show you guys how my hair is before I wash it and do all that stuff I'm about to do to it, right? Okay, so this is my hair washed and conditioned. I'm going to show you the shampoo and conditioner that I used. If you've been on my channel before, you'll see that I use whole blends, coconut oil, and shea butter. If my hair is adapting well to a shampoo and conditioner, I don't tend to change it unless I see that my hair is lacking something. If it needs more oils, if it's too frizzy and it needs a change, then that's when I would tend to look for something else that will suit what's going on with my hair. And I also use whole blends conditioner, and they both have honey in it. Honey just works very well with my hair. Plus I use at-home treatments where I use natural honey in my hair, and I'll do a video like that soon if you guys would like to see the at-home conditioners that I make. But for right now, these are what I use to shampoo and condition my hair. It is damped, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to part it in sections. I'm going to add the product in, and then I'm going to detangle my hair as well as diffuse it. I just grab some at a time and more as I go. Sorry, my lighting is always crazy. So I'm just gonna work with it a little bit at a time because I just want to get the product really in there. I'm just gonna take a section. I'll do this section first. I use either this detangle brush or this detangle brush. I like to use these two best. Out of the two, this one works really well for me. So as you can see, my hair doesn't really have as much curl to it. It's a bit more on the frizzy side. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to my hair. So I'm using my coconut Shea leave-in conditioner. So it's a leave-in conditioner. It's Eden Body Works. It's made more with natural ingredients. So I'm just gonna take a good amount in my hand, not so much, just like that. And I'm just gonna work it into the section. And I'm gonna brush that out. These hairs just grow like that. I don't know. Sometimes they can hang and sometimes they can't. I just start to scrunch it a little bit. And then I take honey castor oil, natural curls, coils, waves. It looks like this. I use this as a curling product for my hair. You guys can see that. And again, it has honey in it and it's sulfate free. So I like to get products that are sulfate free as well as parabens as much as I can. I'm also gonna add a good amount of this in there. And I'm gonna put it in just like how I did the conditioner. And I'm just gonna brush that out. And then I'm just gonna scrunch it as much as I can to curl it a bit with my fingers. So I'm just gonna repeat this step over and over in my hair. And it's good to just do some twists like this in there just to get it in that habit of being curled. And just grab it from the end here and just like so. So this is what this side looks like. And this is what my dry side looks like. Do you see difference. Yes, we do, especially right here. There's a lot of sections that I have to concentrate more on than others. So I'm gonna repeat that again, and then I'm gonna speed it up after that. So I'm gonna add some water, some of my leave-in conditioner. You take whichever brush. I'm mainly gonna use this brush. I'll probably use the other brush if there's some areas that I am gonna be doing bigger chunks of hair on. Not only does this detangle your hair, it also distributes the product more evenly in there, or at least for me it seems so. And then I take some of the curly hair product, and then because it's all clumped together, I like to take the brush and just spread it apart, and then I start the process again. Then I take it all and I just like to get it all scrunched up. And yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed it up and then I'm going to diffuse. Okay, so this is my hair after I put all the product in. As you can see, I was just scrunching it and I did some finger curls as well. And before I put the diffuser on, I'm just trying to scrunch it a bit more just so it can get more of a curl pattern. I'm just going to get my diffuser. Okay, nothing special, it's just this that did I buy it off Amazon? Yeah, I bought this off Amazon. It looks like this, it's pretty chunky. Diffuser part on the end here, you just put on and you twist like so. These are the settings here. It goes hot and cold. First I'm going to dry my hair a bit because it is a bit damp from all the water and all the products still, and then I'm going to do more in sections. The house is so noisy today. I wonder if you guys can hear it. If you do, I apologize. It's the middle of the day. I didn't get to do this earlier. First I'm gonna dry it as normal, and then I'm gonna take sections and I'm gonna put it here, and I'm just gonna hold it for a bit because I notice when I diffuse it and if I move it around too much, it doesn't actually dry as fast as I would think that it would. It actually dries faster when I take my time and just do sections at a time, and if I hold it and if I start from the bottom. I start from the bottom even when I am detangling my hair. I wouldn't want to detangle it from up here because it's gonna hurt more, and it also just gonna be pulling on my hair and I'm gonna lose more hair that way. so this is how my hair looks with the product and it being diffused. What I'm gonna do is add some of this argan oil. It looks like that, and it's just to also add some shine to my hair. Just an extra treatment that I add in there. I don't put too much. I just rub a bit in my hands and I just go through it like that. And I just like to fluff it out a little bit more. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, as well as subscribe. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.